Becky. Eager Beaver, Cheerful Soul, Collaborative Kid, Friendly Neighbor, Studious Kid, Enthusiastic Kid, Golden Heart, Little Teacher, Purchase Kid, Batang Maasahan Award, Great Giver, Star Reader, Budding Mathematician, Graceful Dancer, Book Lover, Neat Kid, and Angelic Voice Award. Congratulations! Prince Lion Speed Zone, Friendly Neighbor Award, DCB, Enthusiastic Learner, Purchase Kid Award, Great Giver, Public Speaker, Sporty Kid, and Athletics Award. We would like also to request Joanne B. Barcoma, Cheerful Soul Award, Friendly Neighbor Award, Happy Helper, Enthusiastic Learner, Little Teacher, Enthusiastic Learner Award, Little Teacher, Batang Maasahan, Public Speaker, Star Reader, Budding Mathematician, Artistic Hands, Book Lover, Peacekeeper, and Neat Kid Award. Congratulations! Eliza C. Cabudo, Eager Beaver, Cheerful Soul Award, Collaborative Kid Award, Friendly Neighbor. Requesting all achievers sa kinder, please be on stage again. For a group voting. That is also the circle. Let's have the best in Makabansa, Samantha Scarlett Francia. Best in to all the kindergarten learners, congratulations! Palakpakan taliwat ang kinder. B. Barcoma. Best in Marcy, Renzo B. Bagatnan, and Althea Cherise A. Galon. Academic Excellence Award is hereby awarded to Sarah Grace B. Valdivino. Congratulations!
Kanina picture na, no?
Best in Math, Princess Lee R. Bayot and Laika C. Gasper.
Bayot, wala.
Best in Reading, Princess Lee R. Bayot. Best in Araling Panlipunan, Princess Lee R. Bayot and Jaisal P. Kakolana. Congratulations, Amethyst B. Bayot and Princess Lee R. Bayot.
Oh, dila pa!
Best in MAPE, Jason P. Best in Cognitive Development, Aiden Hendricks Malayga. Congratulations.